Hi friends, welcome to my channel Kavita Roju, the simple and healthy kitchen. Please share my channel and subscribe my channel, press bell icon. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you friends, thanks a lot. Today's motivational topic is English is very important in nowadays, not only in India, all over country. We have to learn, we must learn English, and we must speak English, and we should know the knowledge of at least minimum degree in English, because wherever you go, English is the main basic to contact other person. It's a bridge to two persons to communicate very well, and it's incredibly very useful nowadays. So we must daily practice English and speak English properly. Thank you.